Welcome to school 2. Ariwo kọ́ ni music yo, empty barrel ló máa ń pariwo. Ariwo kọ́ ni music yo, ẹnu ò ṣe.
Am I following you? Am I not going to my house? Is that why you are stepping on me? If I step on you, what are you going to do? And I will tell you who my father is. Go and tell me who your father is. Go and tell me who your father is. I'm not going to leave your clothes. Go and tell me who your father is. You want to know who my father is? Yes. You want to... Let's hold on. You want to know my father? Who is your father? Compare to my own father. See a governor, a military soldier. Who is your father? Please, I'll go and bring my father.
Your classmate now have the audacity to be insulting me. Your classmate. Okay, this is the place. Okay, no problem. Your classmate. I want to squeeze his father in his presence.
There's no kind of name she did not call.
Okay. Oh,
she called you.
Oh,
she called
this
you.
one.
Yes.
This one.
Yeah.
Oh, so this is the girl.
Yes.
Go and call me your father. Call me your father. I want to squeeze your father in your presence.
Yes, correct. Jenifa, so this is your father, Abby? Yes, of course. But don't worry, my father is coming for you.
Who is your father and where is your father? Your father.
You will see my father with your eyes.
Please. Nonsense. Nonsense.
What?
Why are these people making noise here? Oh, you are the people making noise in my compound here, Abby.
Jenifa, where are you? I'm not seeing you.
Is it a blind man?
I don't know.
Jenifa, are you blind? Quiet, I'm blind. Hey, where are you? Jenifa, blind when you were coming here now. Quiet, I'm blind.
Apostle will hear of this. I will tell Apostle about
So,
this.
you came to my house to fight me, Abby?
You come here to report my daughter. She's very stubborn.
Next time I see you here again, I will personally destroy you, disconnect you, reconnect you, and throw you away. So you want to fight me in my own house?
No, how can the blind man fight?
If you're blind, let me turn blind too.
Shut up!
I cannot see. I cannot see.
So, well, start going now. Move. Family of blind people. Sit there. Let's go inside. Blind people. Yes, my people, how on a day? This is your homeboy S-Bone in the building, aka the Pokoro Master. Please tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend and tell a neighbor that SCHOOL2 is back. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, SCHOOL2. Keep watching. We thank you for everything. Thank you for the love. Thank you for everything. But we need you to support us more. Yes, SCHOOL2. Now waiting daytime be that SCHOOL2. Now be the cocoa. Welcome to SCHOOL2. SCHOOL2. Watch out, man. Thanks, man. One love.